After a long Project 23, it's time to ease off and look at something you might think is much easier: strings. Yes, those pieces of text we take for granted in almost every program we write. They ought to be fairly straightforward things, but it turns out they are complicated little beasts and take a little bit of thinking. In this technique project, we're going to look at why strings often confuse newcomers to Swift. We'll try a variety of properties and methods that are useful, and we're also going to look at how to add formatting to strings: bold, italics, color, and more, using a separate class called NS_attributed_string. Support for attributed strings is baked into most of UIKit, so you can use it with UI label, UI text view, UI button, and more. I've got lots to show you, so let's go straight to Xcode. Go ahead and choose Get Started with the Playground. Choose iOS, then blank, then press Next. Put it on your desktop. I'll call this thing Project 24, then press Create, and make the window nice and big.